My name is Jonathan, and I do heavy equipment work. Anybody can get on a piece of equipment and just pull levers. Not anybody can actually operate. Heavy equipment plays a big role in disaster cleanup. Down trees, down power lines, mud that washes in, floods, buildings that collapse. Heavy equipment is a part of everything. I've got 20 years of heavy equipment operations. I started back when Katrina first hit, assisting with cleaning up behind the disaster. Katrina was a lot of destruction, displaced families. The last big disaster I worked hurricane-wise was from Asheville, North Carolina to Irwin, Tennessee, that impacted large, widespread community. We spent going on 4 months out there just trying to help people get their lives back on track. Living conditions in the beginning is, we don't worry about ourselves much. We try to get as much as we can done. It's a lot of sleeping in the vehicles when you can, you eat when you can, you sleep when you can. But the main thing is to get everybody closer to being able to get back home as soon as they can. The job's not for everybody. There's a lot of people that flake out in the beginning when they come out to a disaster site. They can't take the long hours, the lack of food, lack of sleep. It takes a toll on you, but you gotta look at the bigger picture. Helping others to get closer to moving back to their home and picking up the pieces. I prefer to be the guy in the background that's getting the work done, but at the end of the day, I like to see the clients happy and people are being able to get back to their normal lives.